Hello, this is my demo on carbon paper drawing. For this project, you are going to need some plain paper, some carbon paper, comes in different colours. For this we're using black, something to draw with. I prefer to use a coloured pen, and some masking tape. Just a few pieces. Okay, so I've got my paper in place. Now I'm going to check that I'm putting the carbon paper the right way down. It's the shiny side. As you can see, there are two distinct tones to this. I'm going to place the shiny side down onto the paper. And then I'm just going to make sure there's a little bit of an edge showing on the paper underneath. That means when I place the masking tape down, it will secure the carbon paper and the paper. For this project, I'm using an image of a robin. You can use anything you want. So I'm going to place the robin down, again making sure it's in the right place, and then I'm going to get some masking tape to secure both the image and the carbon paper to the paper. I'm actually going to stick it to the table as well, just to make sure there is no movement. There is nothing more frustrating than spending your time doing a drawing only to discover when you reveal it that it's moved and you've got some ghosting and double imagery going on underneath. That's nice and secure. So now I'm going to take my pen. For this project, I'm going to use a green biro. I'm going to start to draw around all the significant lines within this image. If you watch, you'll see that my lines change. I'm not just doing solid outlines. I am varying the pressure, I'm varying the movement, I'm doing short dashes, I'm doing hatch lines and cross hatch lines, generally like you would do with your own normal drawings. Take your time, there's no need to rush this. Try not to rest onto the image too much, because if you rest on with the palm of your hand or the ball of your hand onto the paper, you are actually going to leave some imprints where you have pressed. So we're literally just trying to go over the bird or over whatever it is you're drawing without too much interference from your hand onto the paper. Okay, you can see here the varying marks that I'm making as I do this drawing. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead a little bit, because obviously you don't want to watch me drawing this whole thing. Okay, so I'm drawing in the significant lines, but I'm not going over absolutely everything. I don't want to do the whole of the image. And when I have completed it, very carefully, just peel away a couple of pieces of the masking tape and then have a quick look underneath just to make sure you have got the right things in. You don't want to have missed the head, for instance. And then I can peel it away again very carefully. I don't want to smudge the carbon paper, and there we go, revealed. The final image looks absolutely exactly like I would want it, looking at all the significant lines. Great image, something that I can use to develop my work further if I would like to.